Welcome to day three of quitting your job and earning more than your boss using AI. Even if you don't want to quit, you can always start a side hustle using AI. It's not that hard. Today, we're going to make something a little bit more useful in your day to day life. This game isn't going to be a competition between you and someone else, it's rather a competition between you and yourself. Kids can play this game. Ideally, forgetful people can play this game to help them improve their memory. Unless you're stoned half the time and you can't really remember, then it gets even more fun because you already know your brain cells are fried. Today, I've asked Perplexity to help me make a memory match game. Like I've stated previously, AI is a very powerful tool, but you need to understand that your logic and AI's logic are two completely different dimensions. We're constantly seeking how to get the right output. The only way to get the right output is to give the right clarity. Now, we all understand our own ideas, but if you had to tell your own idea to someone else, would they understand as deeply as you? It's literally the same with AI. I asked Perplexity to make this game in four variants, four difficulties: easy, medium, hard, and very hard. Not only did it understand clearly, but the output was so accurate and so amazing that I can make people play this game to waste their time, but to actually improve their mental health, to improve their brain health, to improve their memory. Join my journey on how to use AI to your benefit. I want you to like if this helped you. I want you to comment on how it helped you. And I definitely want you to subscribe. All the videos I'm going to make are to help you. I want to build a strong community of creators for creators, not only to help themselves, but also to help each other. And I do want you all to help me achieve my goals. I do want you all to help me with my journey. Comment prompt below if you want me to help you write a prompt for the game or the app you're developing. I really hope we all can journey together. So please subscribe.